Hello student, now today I am going to discuss about Young's double slit experiment. Okay, so before starting Young double slit experiment, I just want to what is fringe and how to visualize how fringe looks like. It looks like how, and what is the fringe pattern. I just discuss these things only first. Then I will discuss Young double slit experiment. Okay, now here. In Young double slit experiments, this is the main source S. Okay, a monochromatic light is coming through S, and these are the two slits S1 and S2. That's why it is called Young double slit experiment. S slits, basically you can imagine it is a pinhole. Okay, if I make a hole by using pin, that hole is called pinhole. So it is very small. So S1 and S2 are the two slits. Distance of separation between two slits S1 and S2 is denoted by small d. This is the screen. Okay, now distance from the screen and the two slits is denoted by capital D. Okay, now two light waves coming from S1 and S2 respectively and meets at P point. So at P point, when they are interference each other, it produces fringe pattern. Okay, now what are the fringes? Are basically, there are two types of fringe. One is bright fringe, another is called dark fringe. Bright fringe, it is happened due to constructive interference, and dark fringe, it is happens due to destructive interference. Now bright fringe means, suppose we are using blue color light. Okay, so here color of the bright fringe will be blue color. Okay, if we use green color, then it will be green light, then the color of the bright fringes will be green, and these are shown here. This is dark means black, we have denoted by black. These are the fringe. Fringe means band of color, bands. See, in Young, if you will use blue color, that at the center of the screen it produces a bright fringes. The color of the bright fringe is always blue. This is the bright fringe. Okay, then dark, then again blue. Bright means dark alternatively. Okay, in this way it will produce a band of color, band. Okay, now another this is shown here also, color. Okay, now another type of fringe pattern, it may be circular. Okay, this is the center blue, then again dark, here black, again dark alternatively. Okay, now here width of the fringe is, if the width of the bright fringe is denoted by beta and width of the dark fringe is denoted by beta dash, then we can prove that width of the bright and dark fringes are always in same. It means beta equal to beta dash. We will derive these things later on. So these are the, you have to visualize these things. Okay, these are the fringe pattern. So here bright fringe due to constructive interference, and you remember in Young double slit experiment that at the center point on the screen always produce a bright fringe. Okay, then alternatively dark, then again bright, then again dark, bright, like this. In both means from the, this is the center point, from above of the C point also alternatively dark and bright fringes, and below the center point. So this C, this is called center, at the center of the screen bright fringes. This is first dark fringe, this is first dark fringe, this is first bright fringe, this is second dark fringe, this is second bright fringe. So all the distance of the first fringe, first bright fringe, second or first dark fringe. Okay, always measure from the center bright fringes. Okay, so this is called first dark fringe, this is called first bright fringe, this is called second dark fringe, this is called second bright fringe. in bottom also like this. This is first bright fringe, this is second dark fringe, this is second bright fringe, this is third dark fringe. So we have to count in this way, okay, with respect to center bright fringes. All the distance we have to measure. Now practically, in practice, how we can see the interference. If we spread some oil on the still water, then in the sun, in sunny day, then you can see the different color of that oil, that region, that is produced due to interference. Okay, or another way you can see the if we hold a soap bubble, and if we see the sun through the soap bubble, you will see 3 or 4 types of color, okay, that is produced due to interference. Okay, so in if we have to produce permanent interference pattern or permanent dark fringes and bright fringes, we always have to use monochromatic wave, either blue color or yellow color, like this, green color. But if we use white color of light in Young double slit experiment, we'll get the fringe pattern, but that fringe pattern will be position of the bright and dark fringes always changing. So permanent, to produce permanent fringe pattern, we have to use always monochromatic monochromatic wave. Okay, and if we use white color, then we will get fringe pattern, but that fringe pattern will always changes its position with respect to time. So this is the basic basic things about Young double slit experiment. Now in next portion I will discuss the mathematical portion only. Okay.